Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to create a TikTok business account. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you're gonna click on the three lines in the top right and you're gonna go to settings and privacy and you're gonna go to account. Next, you're gonna go to switch to business account and you're gonna proceed, learn about your audience, reach more people, and you're gonna proceed and add, your criteria, which is in my case, I'm gonna enter entertainment, media and entertainment. Then I'm gonna proceed and add my email address, and I'm just gonna skip it and it says profile completed. And if I want to create my audience and all that, I'm gonna just click create now. And if you don't, just maybe later, and it says you're all set. Now you've just currently changed your account to a business account. That wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.